Welcome back to your practice. Today, we grow one quality together: gratitude. In the next 10 minutes, we'll understand it, practice it, and find one way to carry it into your day. So let's begin right now. A slow breath in and a long, soft breath out, arriving here. I'm glad you're here. Let's grow together. Let's begin with something the mind does quietly, all the time. When something good arrives, a new comfort, a kind person, a piece of good news, at first, we truly feel it. We notice. We're grateful. But then, slowly, we get used to it. The gift is still there, but we stop seeing it. This is how the mind is built. It turns down the volume on whatever stays the same. And so, a life full of gifts can quietly start to feel ordinary or not enough. Gratitude is simply the practice of seeing again. Here's a small experiment. Think of one ordinary thing in your life: a warm bed, a hot drink in the morning, the voice of someone you love. Now imagine, just for a moment, that it was gone. Feel how precious it suddenly becomes. That preciousness was there all along. Gratitude lets you feel it, without having to lose anything. And this is not about pretending everything is perfect. The hard things are real, and they are allowed to be here too. Gratitude simply means choosing to also see what is good, because that is always here too, waiting to be noticed. An old wisdom says, contentment is not having everything you want. It is wanting what you already have. So that is our practice today, to turn the volume back up on the gifts we stopped seeing. So, let us begin. Find a position that feels steady and supported. Let your hands rest, open and soft. Place your eyes gently. Take a slow breath in through the nose and a longer breath out, letting your shoulders fall. And notice this first quiet gift, your breath. It has been arriving on its own all day, all your life, asking nothing of you. Feel the next breath come in, as if for the first time, and silently say thank you. Now, feel your body resting here. Somewhere vative, inside, your heart is beating, and it has never once stopped. Through every day you can remember a quiet gift working for you, even now, even as you rest. Soften your face and be grateful for your eyes that let you see the people and the world you love. Let your shoulders drop, your arms grow heavy. These hands that have carried and held and helped. Feel the whole body breathing, beating, warm, alive, a gift you did not earn and mostly forget to notice. Just rest here for a moment, grateful simply to be here, breathing. Now, gently, we'll bring a few of the quiet gifts to mind, one at a time. First, something simple that comforts you. Perhaps a warm bed, a cup of tea, a favorite corner of your home. Picture it and let yourself feel how good it is to have it. Now, someone you're glad exists. A person whose voice or presence makes the world a little softer. Hold them in mind for a moment and feel the warmth of being glad they are here. Now, something about this very day, however ordinary, that you had food or shelter or a moment of quiet like this one. And one more, something in the world itself, the sky that returns every morning, a tree, the light through a window, bird song you usually walk past. Small, ordinary beauty, freely given, asking only to be noticed. And notice a small warmth growing in the chest. That is gratitude. You don't have to force it. Only notice what's already good and let yourself feel it. There is so much here that was here all along. Breathe it in and rest in the quiet fullness of it. There is nothing you need to reach for right now. Just rest here in what is already yours. This breath, this body, this quiet moment. For now, it is enough. You are enough. This is enough. Feel how peaceful it is to want exactly what you already have. With each breath, let a little more gratitude settle in, like warmth spreading through the chest. The practice is complete. Notice how you feel now compared to a few minutes ago. Perhaps a little fuller, a little richer in what was already here. Here is how to carry this into your day. Tonight, before you sleep, name 3 small gifts from your day. Nothing grand. A warm meal, a kind word, a moment that made you smile. Do this each day. And slowly, you'll begin to see the gifts while they're still here. And if this practice brought you something, you can subscribe, and we'll grow another quality together soon. In a moment, let your eyes open, slowly, and carry this quiet gratitude into whatever comes next. May peace find you, and may you see the gifts that were always here.